All right, so there's a storm right now. I'll show you. It's outside. I got my geese. Hi guys, are you guys liking this? Hi guys. Are you enjoying the storm? Hi, you guys having fun? Okay, come on. Come on guys. Let's go to the pond and see if that's filling up. Come on guys. Come on. Wow, look at all this water. So all this water is ripping through here, and it's probably gonna all go down to the pond. Hey, there's a little rainbow right there. Awesome. Come on guys. Hachi, Bill, Sugar. Guys, come on. Come on. Come on. Look at all this water coming out. Like, that's crazy. Okay. Let's see where this water's going. Ah, it's all flowing into the... Let's see the pond. Let's see if the pond's filling up. Oh wow, the pond is filling up. Look at this. Yeah, the pond's filling up. Looking good. Thunder. Awesome. Very exciting. I just thought I'd do a little walk around and show all the viewers at home what a rainstorm looks like here in Duncan, Vancouver Island. And I haven't seen one of these yet since I've been here, so I'm sharing it with you guys out there. So, all right. All right. Everything's being watered. Look at all this. Look at all this. There we go. There we go. It's making a dam. Look at all this water. This is exciting. I'm having fun taping this. I wish I had a little boat. Oh, I do have little boats to float them. I used to do this when I was a kid in school. I used to play all day in the rain and do little boats or popsicle sticks and have races. The stuff we did when we were kids. Back in the old days, right? Before computers and phones. Oh, here's my brother. My brother and his family are here, so I gotta get going. But yeah, have a great day, everybody.